When assigning roles in Microsoft Purview, always follow the principle of least privilege. This means giving users only the permissions they need to do their job, no more, no less. Let's see it in action. Open Microsoft Purview, go to Settings, then select Roles and Scopes, and choose Role Groups. You need to be a global admin or have the role management role to work with the role groups. Here is a list of the role groups. Each group consists of roles that give specific permissions to the user. For example, Compliance Administrator role group has the following roles. When you add a user to this group, they will get all permissions that are listed here. You can modify the roles within this role group by using Edit option, but I suggest that instead of editing a predefined role group, you create a custom role group. In large organizations, or those organizations that have strict compliance regulations, different teams often need access to specific compliance solutions. Instead of adding users to the built-in role group, you would create your custom role group, and then you would assign only the roles that the team needs. Here is a good example for you. If you have a consultant who works only with insider risk management, but also needs access to analyze M365 implementation, you wouldn't want to give them a compliance admin access. Instead, you will create a custom role group and add only the necessary roles. Click on Create Role Group. Enter the name of the role group. In my case, it's a Zero Trust Consultant. Click Next. In the next screen, you're going to choose the roles that you're going to be adding to this role group. You can search for roles, or you can scroll down and select the roles from the list. In this case, I just selected a security reader, and now I'm selecting an insider risk management admin role. Now that I checked all of the boxes for the roles that I needed for the consultant, I'm going to click select, and I am now in the next screen where I can add members to this group. We're going to skip ahead and take a look at the role group that we created. So here is our Zero Trust Consultant group, and the roles are Security Reader and the IRM admin. Let's find this newly created role group in a list. We didn't add members when we created this role group, and we are going to do it now. To add members to this role group, we are going to put it in the edit mode. Click Edit and follow the wizard. We'll need to choose users, and here is Megan that is going to be a member of this role group. And that is how you create and configure custom role groups for Microsoft Purview.